Hello, guys, and welcome to this vocal recording by myself, Adam Ellis. It's been a while since I've done one of these lessons, so keen to get back in it. And today we're going to be working with my What Makes Your Heartbeat vocal, and we're going to be doing some vocal placing, some vocal resizing. I'm going to show you guys how to do a vocal reverb, reverse reverb, sorry. Vocals are something that I suggest you don't really work with until you're more advanced. I personally would recommend to my clients that you don't even touch vocals until you've got the engineering side of things nailed down and you've had a couple of releases, because you're just trying to do a marathon before you can even walk, you know. It's really tough to get them right. And over the years, I have come up with tips and tricks and little ideas. And yeah, little ways of working around vocals is like and little tips, and that's what I'm going to show you today. So a lot of the time when I get a vocal, I'm not going to lie to you, I struggle with the timing of vocals. I've just not got that natural ability to know where a vocal should be, and it's quite embarrassing to be honest with you. But look, it is what it is, and you know I've kind of figured out ways to get around it. So say I get a vocal and I'm doing a remix. Let's pretend I'm not Adam Ellis and I've got this What Makes Your Heart beat a vocal for a remix. I've been commissioned for a remix, or even make it easier, I want to remix my own track, and I want to figure out the vocal timing. Well, an easy way to do it is by getting the original track and copying the vocals to where it should go. And that kind of sounds a bit dumb, so rather than banging on about things that sound silly, I'm just going to show you. And yeah, this is a really good tip and a good trick to kind of figure things out. Now, I know that the vocal a cappella is 1/3, and really to do anything with vocals, you really need to know the speed of the vocal. The easiest way to do it, I find, is going onto Beatport and trying to find the original track, and that will give you the original tempo, therefore giving you the vocal BPM. But you can't really do anything unless you've got the